Hello everybody, my name is Chris Chaos and welcome back to Cluster Truck. Now in the last video, I didn't know how to use my special abilities, so I finally figured out, because I'm apparently a big dumb idiot, I don't know how to use my special abilities. Apparently it was the right side of my mouse. Yeah. So without further ado, I'm just gonna jump right into Cluster Truck here. I don't know why we're here. Okay, so we're on a new map now, and we beat the first map, the first level of 10, and that one was kind of difficult because for some goddamn reason I could not jump over the log. Enough of me babbling around about crap, so let's play some more Cluster Truck here. Is this the first map? Hold up. We're going to map 2. That's what I meant to click on. Sorry about that. Okay, so now, we're in the Matrix now. Whoa, 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 what is going on? Whoa! Okay. Don't surprise me like that. Ah! Whoa! 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 I'm like Neo from the Matrix! Shit. Okay. Well, I know how to use the slow down time ability now. Okay. Oh my god, are you kidding me? Okay. And now... Okay, I'm on it. Okay, what am I doing here? Okay, I'm still on the same truck. Oh no! I'm not gonna make it! I got some reach! Oh! 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 Damn! Okay. Last video. Whoa, there's some explosions there. That's kind of cool. Oh, come on, I can make this! The Matrix! Yeah! Yeah, that was actually pretty cool. I'm gonna try to fly by these levels. Let's go. I'm a winner. What is going on here? Okay, this is so the Matrix here. I made it. Sweet. I got some more cash. What is this? Whoa. Just moving left and right. Oh boy, this is gonna be... Oh, nope, couldn't make it. Okay, this one seems to be a little bit more harder. I'm gonna try not to use the slow down time ability. Jump! Oh my god, I'm getting such good air. Oh, come on, I can do this. Okay, it seems like we're flying by these levels pretty quickly. They seem to not be too bad. What is going on here? The platform's moving! I like the slow down time. Okay, we're gonna do some trick shots here. Trick shot! 360 no scope, my platform's moving. Let's try and not use the slow down time. Trick shot! Yeah! There we go. I can do this. Shit! And trick shot slow motion. It's way easier. Ah! Oh my god. Oh my god, there's more? Doesn't end. Never ends. It's a never-ending story. Now I sound like Batman for some reason. Either that or I hit puberty. I don't know what the fuck I'm talking about anymore. Don't listen to me. Hey, what is this? Is this like zero gravity? Oh my god! Can I make it? I think I can. Ah! Yeah! I'm a pro. We're already on 7. Sweet. We're flying by like passing colors. Whoa! Oh! Where did those come from? Jesus! And flawless victory. I thought I was about to fuck up there for a minute. Oh, wow. Let's do a trick shot. Slow motion. No slow motion. Oh! Whoa! Whoa! What was that? What was that? It's your boy! It's your boy. Oh boy. Wonder how many I can do. Ah! There we go. Yeah. Okay, we're already on map 9. Level 9. I'm sorry if I get it mixed up too with the maps and levels. Holy shit on a handbasket! There's no trucks! Fucking boulders. Where the fuck did these boulders come from? Check, hey! How's it going? Oh my god, the boulders kill you when they hit you. Holy shit, I gotta be careful here. Oh god. Nope, I missed. Instead of getting crushed, I get fucked. Oh my god. Okay. Oh Jesus Christ. Oh, that rock got stuck. That's bullshit. Ay, ay, ay. Oh my god. This is a bunch of dicks. Oh my god, I just got fucking obliterated. Rammed up the anus with a rock. And no, not the Wayne the Rock Johnson. Okay, let's sit. Hop along. Maybe I can try to. Oh shit, am I gonna make it? Yeah! Go fuck yourself, rocks. Okay, map 10. Oh no, it's this. Oh no. Oh my god. Wait a second. I think I might know. Ah! Bitch! Oh god. Oh god. Where are we ending up here? It's a whole big clusterfuck of them. Ah! Am I gonna make it? Oh my god! Oh god, I'm running out of sprint. Oh, I went too far ahead. That was just amazing. Oh god. Whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa, what the fuck? Come on, truck. You and I, baby, to the end. Mwah. Love ya. What? Truck! Why? Truck! God damn it! Fuck! Cocksucker! Oh my god, are you serious? My fucking tips of my toes hit that. So this is what happens when you stub your toe, you die. Okay, come on. God dingus dang it. Oh boy, that was a good one. Throw and jump over all these. Ah, fuck. That I'm fucking good at games. I'm being crushed! Jesus! It's a party up in here. Okay, this time I'm actually gonna do something here. Okay, I'm flying. Yes, I landed it. No! Are you kidding me? Are you fucking kidding me? Bank full of dicks, this is. It's pissing me off. Titty twisters, come on. Such horse shit. There we go. Goddamn fucking trucks! Okay, I can feel it. This time is the one. If these trucks... Oh god, no. No! By the way, this is definitely unrated, this version. God damn it! Piece of shit! The hell did I just do there? Oh, come on, land on this guy. Okay. Oh, fuck. God! Oh! Oh! Anger levels. Oh. Oh, come on. What the fuck? Fuck, I hate it when I get stuck like that. Oh, fuck you. Okay, I have a feeling that this will be the one. Oh, shit. Shit. No! Yes! Oh, finally! Oh, God! Oh, great. We're in Antarctica. Fine and dandy. Let's see what's in store for me here. Hey! I'm gonna see Santa Claus! No, that's in the Christmas one, I think. Oh my god! How the hell did I do that so fast? Let's go see the second map. Oh my god, what the shit is this? Are you serious? Ah! No! No! Ah! Are you serious? Ah! I wonder how hard that would be without slow motion. You know what? I'm actually gonna try it. I'm gonna try it for a challenge. Just so everybody can see me get so pissed off. Okay, no slow motion allowed. No Matrix. Okay, Neil, you're not with me this time around. Fuck! It's already gone downhill. Bag full of acid. Whoa! Okay. Oh, come on. There we go. Let's see how pro I am. Ah! Shit! I went flying way too goddamn far off the map. I know what I'm gonna do. Fuck! Yes! 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 Oh, what the fuck am I looking at here? It looks like a whole bunch of giant pretzels. They're about to fuck me. Yep, they fucked me. Oh my god, what? Oh my god, are you serious? Are you fucking kidding me? Slow your roll. Jabroni. There we go. And jabroni, oh my god. Holy shit. I landed it. Bada bing, bada boom. I'm going to go. Yeah. One more level. One more level. Oh, great. Got giant fucking ice blocks. Oh my god. Ah. I was doing the splits there for a second. I believe I can fly. See, I can make... Oh my god, shit! What? 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 Did I have to go backwards for that? What? Are you shitting me? I gotta go backwards? Oh boy. When in doubt, YOLO! Because I'm a G. Ah, oh my god, I do. Come on, trucks. Come on. Bring it. Bring it. Yeah! Oh, shit! Ah! Yeah! Let's play one more. Play one more before the episode ends. Yeah. Whoa, I almost done goofed. Wait a sec. Fuck me. There's nothing here. Okay, I did not expect that. What the fuck did I hit? I hit a goddamn tree. Oh, there's an arrow. I'm such a dumbass. Oh, there's another arrow too. And there's the goal. Yeah! Give me that sweet, sweet victory. Thank you everybody so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys on the highways of Cluster Trucks. Bye-bye.